Hello people, welcome to Rickles Outdoors. It's a very quick one today. I've just come out, rushed out after work, and I'm trying out this new hammock. It's the ddhammocks. I've already set up. I'm just walking back to the base camp now. So it's a rush one today. Let me know if any of you do this. I had a free evening, just finished work, and it's like, do I rush and try to set up camp somewhere? Now it's taken me about 3.5 hours to get from work, get packed, get here and get set up. Do any of you guys do that? I did have trouble setting this hammock up because it don't have the carabiners on it. It comes with these silly straps I don't like, and I did have some carabiners. A note to self or anyone else want to try this: got these cheap lightweight ones. They're quite thick, but they're no good. Clipped it up, got a hammock, and it just collapsed, fell to the floor. So I'm going to need some proper heavy duty, like steel ones or something. So here's camp, a lot darker in here. It's the multicam 3.3 tarp, and it's in the like flying A-frame. It's not very well done. I say I rushed a bit and I need to do some mods. So in this sort of just like lean-to A-frame, it covers, as you can see, the XL hammock. That's me just treading on a guy rope. See, just at 0.5 of a metre. Although it probably could come over a little bit more, but I'm not expecting rain tonight. I won't do a full review, but just in case anyone else is interested in getting one of these, it comes with these straps here around the ends, and it's a pain in the arse. First of all, I tried tying it to the tree and it just slipped. I did bring these out. I was hoping my carabiners would hold for it, but they didn't. So I spent ages just tying it up on one of these, and then that wasn't enough, so I had to tie it up and then move the strap up. It's just a pain in the arse. What I'm going to do is tie this off tight. Can't see that too well. I'll tie it off tight like that. Yeah, so there's a loop. Then I'll put a heavy duty carabiner in the middle and cut all this rope off. And with this 3.5 metre tarp, some stupid reason they put the badge up there. You've got a chance of leakage, you know, from stitching. Put it down here in the corner, it wouldn't matter so much. Bit of a bad design. Got the UCO lantern, I might use later. So it's the multicam hammock XL. I'm 5'6". It's more than enough for me. And on the other side you've got like an envelope thing where you can slide your sleep mat in, but I prefer my sleep mat inside the hammock, so if it slides out I could sort of lift myself up and adjust it. Another mod I need to do is tiny little sips go down like that, and I've got to lean all the way over to pull that sip back up. So I want a long bit of string just to make it a bit easier. So you've got this nice dark mesh. It's a bit tilted in everything, like so I rushed. 2 pockets at the top. Got my phone, electronics sort of in there. Got this sort of ridge line just tied off. Now I'll probably do with adjusting that. This is literally my first time I've set this up. There's a little pocket in there. Oh, earplugs, just in case it's a bit noisy. I think there's 2 pockets at that side. Floating, just foam mat, just help a bit. Full season bag, because I always like to have a warmer bag for hammock camping. Silk liner, so I'll just wash that into the whole thing. Space there if I need it. Pillow, that'll do for one night. Got this little fire pit. So I've rotted old, where the actual tree's gone. There's a root ball of it. Load of logs there. I might not even use it. I might even not have a fire. Don't need it. Haven't got dinner today. Just had snacks basically. Easy stuff. I bought these things from Poundland. I don't think they cost £1 anymore. Not much does in Poundland. A bit more than £1. But they meant to put mosquitoes off. I've been putting a couple of these up around. I don't know if it's made any difference. I haven't seen many. (8:10). Beer o'clock. Got a San Miguel. Still really bright outside, it's just dark here. It's annoying. So I'd like to get a little fire on the go, but I think for another hour to 2 hours, still gonna be people walking about. I might not bother. Cheers. So muggy, so hot, humid. There's me in the woods on my own, talking to myself. Yeah. Just a little fire, just to get rid of these blooming mozzies. Hopefully this bit of smoke swirl around, put the mozzies off. And it's still really light outside. Dark here. 2-minute walk down there, bright daylight. Unless anything happens, I say good night now. Good night now. Good morning. It's about 7:20. I actually had a good night's sleep. Went to bed about 10:11 and slept through. Well, woke up a couple of times actually. My back, lower back, my arse basically was aching. Found it quite hard. And then again I woke up Not too early, but I could hear the birds, so that was quite nice. Yeah, I was quite comfortable, despite I rushed yesterday to set it up, and by the looks of it, it's actually dropped. Because when I got up this morning, I was all gathered up at one end, my head was nearly in the middle. It does look like that end's dropped down a bit. But then again, the ground is slanted, so this end be quite high if it's like that. Got a bottle of water over there. I'm not going to bother making a coffee, I don't think. I've got a little twig stove, or I've got this obviously, but I don't really want to make a fire again, so I think I'll just go have the water and pack away. All packed away. That's where I had my hammock, that tree to that tree. Bag looks even bigger now, but I did put my rubbish in my other bag in there that had my food. Obviously the fires weren't put out, that was put out last night. Right, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, remember to put a like and share and subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate it. I make no money out of these videos, I'm just doing it for pure entertainment really. There's a link down below if you would like to donate anything to help out, that'd be awesome. This would be a cool hammock camp, wouldn't it? From this tree here to that one. Well, that's got to be done. Low profile stealth hammock camp.